So good.
This RV from Giant Recreation World runs on gasoline, but this engine right here runs on barbecue. This is Briskets BBQ Shack. Let's do this. All right, we're here at the BBQ Shack in Oviedo. What's the one thing I have to try today?
Well, you know, it's kind of hard to try to decide that, but what's very popular is our combination plates. So we're gonna put together some brisket, some burnt ends. We're gonna do some pulled pork, chicken, ribs, and a few pieces of handmade sausage.
This is Briskets BBQ Shack in Oviedo, an unassuming place with unbelievable barbecue.
Oh, my, this is, all right. Wow, this looks incredible. Okay, I don't know where to begin. These are my side dishes. This is the most interesting looking pulled pork I think I've ever seen. It's like big, meaty chunks of it. But it is very well cooked, delicate. It just falls apart in your mouth. This means you made some really good decisions in your life if you have that ring around there. Let me see. So this is handmade sausage with jalapeno and cheese. It's crazy good. All of this meat just falls apart, which is exactly what you want. I feel like a lot of barbecue places are the same. This is so different. I can see why everybody was telling me to come here. I'm gonna take a little brisket. It's moist, it's smoky. It's exactly what you want. This is Briskets BBQ in Oviedo. More food than you will ever be able to eat. I will be back here immediately.